Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing. Anyway, this is a green juice, healthy one, and something which can detox your body also. Please try this one at home. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We got some spinach, ginger, cucumber, lemon or lime, apple cider vinegar, whatever you like. You can add it to it. If you're allergic to any of these ingredients, put it aside and use something else where you're not allergic to. Anyway, stay tuned, yeah, and thank you for watching. Please leave your comments, and as I said, we have millions of recipes coming for you for this 2020. Recipe on top of recipe. We're gonna pile them in and give you some recipe, guys, that you can make them at home. Request, I got steamed fish coming, I got a lot of stuff coming, and you will see them. Definitely, you will see them. Please enjoy. And listen, you need to join the membership. That is very important because coming up very soon, and we'll be doing a lot of dish for members. So stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I have some spinach right here, and I'm going to put the spinach straight inside of my blender like this. That's the first thing you want to do, is to put the spinach inside of the blender. All right. And remember, as I said before in most of my video, spinach play a big part of role in weight loss and also detoxing and cleansing your body. All right, now we're going to remove the skin from the cucumber. I have roughly about quarter of a cucumber, which is not a lot. It's just roughly about a little piece, and I'm gonna simply just remove the skin from it. Once you remove the skin, simple, cut it out and put it straight inside of your blender. If you have a good blender, you don't need to worry yourself. Get a lovely chunk piece of a ginger and make sure you remove the skin from the ginger. All right. Once you do that, cut it up and put it straight inside of it, just like that. All right. Secondly, let's put a little bit of water. You don't need much water. Roughly about half cups of water. All right, don't put too much water. Once you do that, secondly, put roughly about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar inside of it. Thirdly, we're gonna blend it for about 3 to 4 seconds. Just gonna simple shake down like that. Look at that. That is fantastic. All right. Lovely and nice. So let's put that one side. Don't forget, you can put honey if you like inside of it. That is lovely and nice. Okay. So all I have to do is just pour it out like this. Pour it half, and now get your lemon or your lime and just squeezing it. Get the rest and pour it in like this. Drink that before you go to your bed or early morning one. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. And as you can see, it's just a simple little recipe where you guys can do at home. Amazing one. So stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe like that. Bye-bye.